guys, wanted to give you a look at my sage flowers, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They're flowering like crazy, and they smell gorgeous. They have a great sage kind of flowery smell, and they are absolutely wonderful. Hopefully it goes to seed this year. Maybe I'll collect seed, but maybe I'll let it drop so it spreads, and I can let this area become like a little sage garden. But just wanted to share those sage flowers with you. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're worth growing just for the flowers by itself. Very, very beautiful. And it is perennial, so they come up every year. I don't have to worry about planting them. So it is a perennial. So anyway, just a quick look at the sage flowers and my broadleaf sage. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.